So here's our coffee machine, espresso machine. You can add more beans here to fill up the water. You can pull this little container out and top it up with water. So to turn on the machine, press the on button, and then it will take a while to heat up. And it is good then to have a cup here, because the coffee machine will need to be cleaned afterwards, and the machine does this automatically by rinsing through the water. So if you wouldn't have this cup here, then all the water would end up here, which means you would have to take this out to clean it. Oh, and here, by the way, you can see where the grounds collect. So there you go. Yeah, if you would like to have a long coffee, you push this button. This is for hot water, but we never use that one. We only use a water boiler. Cappuccino and milk menu does not work because the frother that was here is broken. So we use the espresso or the double espresso button. So for this time, I will use this one. It's called short coffee here. Yeah, so the machine will tell you when you need to fill up water or when you need to empty the grounds container. In that case, and you just pull this tray out and take this thing out and just empty it in the compost paper bag. Yeah, that's it. And yeah, of course, once you're done, just turn off the machine by pushing this button.